May I have my lord's kind permission to commence the official program? Thank you, my lord. I request my lord Honorable Chief Justice to kindly deliver the farewell address.
Brother Justice Sushrut Arvind Dharmadhikari and my esteemed colleagues, Mrs. Dharmadhikari, Mrs. Kath and other spouses of my colleagues, former judges of this court, law officers of central government and state of Madhya Pradesh, the chairman Bar Council of Madhya Pradesh, the presidents and executive members of all the Bar Association, Registrar General and officers of the registry, the principal district judges and judicial officers Madhya Pradesh Judiciary, learned member of the bar and family members of Justice Sushrut Dharmadhikari. We have assembled here today to bid farewell to Justice Dharmadhikari, judge of this court, on his task as a judge of High Court of Kerala. Justice Dharmadhikari was born on 8 July 1966 at Raipur, Chhattisgarh. His great-grandfather and grandfather both were lawyers of a great repute in Batul district. His father was a mining engineer. After completing his early education, Justice Dharmadhikari obtained his BCom degree from GS College of Commerce and Economics, Nagpur, and LLB degree from University College of Law, Nagpur. Thereafter, he was enrolled as an advocate with the State Bar Council, Madhya Pradesh in 1992 and started practice after joining the chamber of his late uncle Shri Yashwant Shankar Dharmadhikari, senior advocate and ex-advocate general. He also got inspiration and guidance from his uncle, Hon'ble Shri Justice D.M. Dharmadhikari, former judge of Supreme Court of India. Thereafter, he started his own practice in civil, constitution and criminal branches of law. He was standing counsel for Union of India. He has also represented the Income Tax Department and Reserve Bank of India. He was senior standing counsel for Central Excise, Custom and Service Tax Department, District Central Cooperative Bank, Hoshangabad, various public sector undertakings, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, BSNL Welfare Commissioner, Bhopal Gas Victims. He was elevated as an additional judge of this court on 7th April 2016 and thereafter as permanent judge on 17th March 2018. On the administrative side, he served in different capacity in various administrative committees of this court. He was nominated as administrative judge of High Court of Madhya Pradesh, Indore bench. During interaction with Justice Dharmadhikari and during proceeding of administrative committees or otherwise, he has been very helpful by giving his valuable suggestions and solutions. He also has been part of full bench with me and I found him having depth knowledge of law. Throughout his career as a judge, he has delivered numerous judgments on various jurisdictions. During his tenure as a judge of this court, from 7/4/2016, he has disposed of various important cases. A number of his judgments are reported in law journals. The decisions rendered by him reflect his knowledge of law. Justice Dharmadhikari has served this High Court for almost 9 years. He has served at all the 3 benches of the High Court. He has always worked hard in discharging of his duties. He has made contribution on the judicial as well as on the administrative side. He, being a member of various committees, has also contributed to the development of respective sections of the judiciary. I am sure that his rich experience will make his tenure as the judge of High Court of Kerala very successful. I, on behalf of me and on behalf of my esteemed brothers, sisters, judges, wish Justice Dharmadhikari a very happy and successful tenure at the High Court of Kerala. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
I request Additional Advocate General Sri Harpreet Singh Ruplat to deliver his farewell speech.
Honorable the Chief Justice, Honorable Shri Justice Sushrut Arvind Dharmadhikari ji, Honorable Companion Judges, respected speakers, Registrar General and officers of the registry, friends and family members of Honorable Judges, respected members of the bar, ladies and gentlemen. I stand before this august gathering today to offer our heartfelt gratitude and warm wishes to Honorable Shri Justice Sushrut Arvind Dharmadhikari upon his Lordship's transfer from the High Court of Madhya Pradesh to the High Court of Kerala. My Lord, while this may be a moment of farewell for us, it is also a moment of continuity, contentment, happiness, and a sparkling hope for a bright future. Your Lordship carries forward the values and judicial temperament that have long marked the traditions of this Honorable Court to yet another distinguished institution of justice. Having begun your Lordship's legal journey under the mentorship of your illustrious senior, Shri Y.S. Dharmadhikari, Senior Advocate and former Advocate General of Madhya Pradesh, your Lordship has always embodied humility, dedication, and a strong moral compass. From your Lordship's first days as an advocate in 1992, to your Lordship's elevation to the bench in the year 2016 as an additional judge, and subsequently as a permanent judge in 2018, your Lordship's career has been a testament to commitment and excellence. Your Lordship's wide-ranging experience across civil, criminal, and constitutional law, as well as your Lordship's long-standing service to institutions such as the Union of India, the Income Tax Department, the Reserve Bank of India, and various others, has brought tremendous depth and perspective to your Lordship's judicial work. On the bench, your Lordship has always commanded both respect and affection. Respect for your Lordship's disciplined and reasoned judgments, and affection for your Lordship's humility and humanitarian approach. Your Lordship brought to the courtroom a rare blend of legal precision and human understanding, ensuring that every litigant, regardless of background, was heard with dignity. Your Lordship's dignified sense of humor has time and again brought grace and ease to the courtroom. Though the corridors of Madhya Pradesh High Court will feel the absence of your Lordship's quiet strength and warm presence, we are sure that the High Court of Kerala will be deeply enriched by your Lordship's arrival. It is not often that a court bids farewell to a judge who understands not just the letter of the law, but also the soul of justice. I, on behalf of the Honorable Advocate General, the State of Madhya Pradesh, and all law officers, as well as on my own behalf, express our deepest gratitude to your Lordship for your exemplary service. We also wish your Lordship and Mrs. Anjali Dharmadhikari and family every happiness, good health, and success in all your future endeavors. Thank you.
I request Deputy Solicitor General for Union of India, Gwalior, Sri Praveen Kumar Nevaskar to deliver his farewell speech.
Honorable Chief Justice of Madhya Pradesh High Court, Honorable Chief Justice Shri S.A. Dharmadhikari, and our company is sitting on that at Jabalpur, Indore, and Gwalior. Shri Harpreet Singh Rupra, Additional Advocate General, and other law officers for the State of Madhya Pradesh. Shri Radhilal Gupta ji, Chairman State Bar Council. Shri Sathyendra Kumar Jain ji, President High Court Bar Association Jabalpur. Shri Ritesh Kumar Inani, President High Court Bar Association Indore. Shri Pawan Pathak, President High Court Bar Association Gwalior. Shri Sanjay Agarwal, President High Court Bar Association Jabalpur. Shrimati Shubha Menon, President Senior Advocates Council in Jabalpur. Registrar General of High Court of Madhya Pradesh and other officers of the registry. Today we assembled here to bid a warm official farewell to my Lord Hon'ble Shri Justice Shri S.A. Dharmadhikari on his Lordship transfer to High Court of Kerala. Lordship, after practicing advocate before the Honorable High Court of Madhya Pradesh, elevated judge, additional judge of the High Court of Madhya Pradesh on 7/4/2016 and permanent judge on 17/3/2018. The Lordship, while sitting in Gwalior, Jabalpur, and Indore, has delivered many landmark judgments in this High Court, reflecting his legal acumen. Honorable Justice S.A. Dharmadhikari decided 24,075 cases while sitting in single bench and 6,430 cases while sitting in division bench. The judgment delivered by his Lordship would enlighten the judicial fraternity and would be great assistance to the bar and bench for years to come. Today also, your Lordship has delivered judgment of full bench presided by Honorable the Chief Justice, Hon'ble Shri Jain, declaring the Section 47 of Excise Tax Ultra Virus My Lord Shri S.A. Dharmadhikari is very kind-hearted person and very gentle soul and good human being. We will miss your Lordship immensely. I, on my behalf, and also honor Mr. Pushpendra Yadav and Shri Himanshu Joshi, Deputy Solicitor General, Jabalpur, Indore, as well as on my behalf, of India, convey, express their gratitude to all faith and trust my Lord is bestowed upon and has guided us towards excellence with hope that Lordship with us again. Thank you.
I request Chairman State Bar Council of Madhya Pradesh, Shri Radhilal Gupta, to deliver his farewell speech.
My Lord, Honorable Shri Justice Suresh Kumar Kaid, Honorable Chief Justice High Court of Madhya Pradesh, My Lord Shri Justice Sanjeev Sachdeva ji, Administrative Judge High Court of Madhya Pradesh, Honorable Judge Justice Shri S.A. Dharmadhikari, Judge of High Court of Madhya Pradesh, Honorable Judges of High Court of Madhya Pradesh, Shri Harpreet Rupra, Additional Advocate General, Shri Praveen Kumar Nivaskar, Deputy Solicitor General of Union of India, Shri D.K. Jain, President High Court Bar Association Jabalpur, Shri Ritesh Enani, President High Court Bar Association Indore, Shri Pawan Pathak, President High Court Bar Association Gwalior, Shri Sanjay Agrawal, President High Court Advocates Bar Association Jabalpur, Shri Aditya Adhikari, General Secretary Senior Advocates Council, respected judicial officers and my fellow advocates. With heavy heart and mixed feeling of joy and sorry, we have assembled here to bid goodbye to my Lord Honorable Shri Justice Sushrut Arvind Dharmadhikari, who is being transferred as a judge of Kerala High Court. My Lord Honorable Shri Justice S.A. Dharmadhikari has been with us for the last about 9 years. So the memories and impressions that my Lord has left on all of us cannot be erased in the time to come. It is certain a great loss to this Honorable High Court of Madhya Pradesh, but again to the public of Kerala, where judges of my Lord caliber and competence are required. The heat and passion implied in the name of Honorable Justice Shri Sushrut Arvind Dharmadhikari transplants and reflects in his action and behavior as judge. The shadows of personality of my Lord Honorable Shri Justice S.A. Dharmadhikari shall lead us to path of justice that has already been illuminated by the light thrown by the wisdom of your Lordship in the shape of the judgments. After completing law graduation, my Lord got enrolled as an advocate in the State Bar Council Madhya Pradesh in the year 1992 and started practice under the able guidance of Sri Y.S. Dharmadhikari, Senior Advocate. Thereafter, my Lord was Standing Counsel for Union of India and also for various prestigious institutions of central and state level. My Lord Shri Justice S.A. Dharmadhikari was appointed as the Judge of High Court of Madhya Pradesh in the year 2016 and permanent judge in the year 2018. The eminence and learning of Honorable Shri Justice S.A. Dharmadhikari writ large in his judgments, which proves that he is the stalwart of versatile jurisprudence. I do not find words to admire his legal acumen and jurisprudential competence, nor the words can be embraced for the same. With these conceptions, his Lordship has been custodian of justice for whole state of Madhya Pradesh. Undoubtedly, on account of great experience, deep study, and well versed with the problems of judiciary as well as bar, he will be successful not only in the High Court of Kerala, where my Lord is going as a judge, but also in future up to highest court of the country, as we hope. My Lord Honorable Justice Shri S.A. Dharmadhikari comes from a family which has a big image and pride attached to it. The renowned Dharmadhikari's family are erstwhile Madhya Bharat, now Madhya Pradesh, and Maharashtra belonging to Batul district. In the history, these honorable judges are pride of judiciary. Honorable Justice Shri C.S. Dharmadhikari, Honorable Justice Shri D.M. Dharmadhikari, former Judge of Supreme Court of India, Honorable Justice Shri S.C. Dharmadhikari, and Honorable Justice Shri B.P. Dharmadhikari, and now my Lord Honorable Shri Justice Sushrut Arvind Dharmadhikari are the pride of this Dharmadhikari family. there is a strong expectation from Honorable Justice Shri S. A. Dharmadhikari that he will establish independent standing as one of the outstanding judge. Honorable Shri Justice S. A. Dharmadhikari has been a source of inspiration for public at large in Madhya Pradesh. Now it is time that public of the Kerala state shall be benefited with the extraordinary style of working of my Lord in the dispensation of justice. His Lordship led a simple and ordinary life, and every person who interacts with him wonders how he is not affected by the burden of professional demands. As soft-spoken person, he puts every person he interacts, whether in court or outside. One never feels that he is talking to a luminary. One of the most striking things about him is his ability to relate to people belonging to different age groups, economic status, professions, and communities. We congratulate my Lord as a judge of Kerala High Court and wish that my Lord will illuminate the benefit to litigants and public at large of Kerala. I also wish Almighty to give him all the joy to your Lordship that your Lordship may wish. My Lord, I on behalf of State Bar Council of Madhya Pradesh and on behalf of all the advocates of state and on my own behalf, congratulate and wish my Lord Honorable Shri Justice Sushrut Arvind Dharmadhikari, Shri Anjali Dharmadhikari and all the family members for all the success, progress and prosperity in future.
I request President High Court Bar Association Jabalpur Shri D.K. Jain to deliver his farewell speech.
माननीय मुख्य न्यायाधिपति श्री सुरेश कुमार कैद जी, माननीय न्यायाधिपति सुश्रुत धर्माधिकारी जी, माननीय न्यायाधिपतिगण मध्य प्रदेश उच्च न्यायालय, माननीय पूर्व न्यायाधिपतिगण एवं मध्य प्रदेश उच्च न्यायालय अतिरिक्त महाधिवक्ता श्री हरप्रीत सिंह गुप्ता जी, माननीय डिप्टी सॉलिसिटर जनरल श्री प्रवीण कुमार नवस्कर जी, माननीय राधेलाल जी गुप्ता अध्यक्ष राज्य अधिवक्ता परिषद, माननीय रितेश रानी जी अध्यक्ष इंदौर हाईकोर्ट बार एसोसिएशन, माननीय पवन पाठक जी अध्यक्ष ग्वालियर हाईकोर्ट बार एसोसिएशन, माननीय संजय अग्रवाल जी अध्यक्ष हाईकोर्ट एडवोकेट बार एसोसिएशन जबलपुर, माननीय आदित्य अधिकारी जी सचिव सीनियर एडवोकेट काउंसिल, माननीय रजिस्ट्रार जनरल महोदय, माननीय रजिस्ट्रारगण एवं माननीय न्यायाधिपति गणों के सभी माननीय परिजन, माननीय अधिवक्तागण एवं आप सभी को सादर नमस्कार। माननीय धर्माधिकारी जी का जन्म 8 जुलाई 1966 को तत्कालीन मध्य प्रदेश के रायपुर में हुआ था। आपने मध्य प्रदेश उच्च न्यायालय के जाने माने वरिष्ठ अधिवक्ता और पूर्व एडवोकेट जनरल श्री वाई.एस. धर्माधिकारी जी के साथ वकालत व्यवसाय प्रारंभ किया। आपने सिविल क्रिमिनल के साथ इनकम टैक्स इत्यादि के क्षेत्र में वकालत की। आप रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, सेंट्रल एक्साइज, कोऑपरेटिव बैंक, BSNL और भोपाल गैस त्रासदी के केसों में पीड़ितों के वकील रहे। आप 7 अप्रैल 2016 को मध्य प्रदेश उच्च न्यायालय के न्यायाधिपति नियुक्त हुए और 17 मार्च 2018 को स्थायी न्यायाधीश के पद पर नियुक्त हुए। माननीय न्यायाधिपति धर्माधिकारी जी साहब, आप अत्यंत शांत, सरल एवं निश्चल स्वभाव को धारण करने वाले हैं एवं व्यर्थ के विवादों से दूरी बनाकर रखने वाले न्यायाधिपति हैं। आप में आम इंसानों के प्रति दया एवं करुणा के भाव हैं। आप सभी के सम्मान के प्रति चिंतित रहते हैं। आप न्यायालय में दोनों पक्षों के अधिवक्ता गणों को तर्कों को धैर्यपूर्वक सुनते हैं, प्रकरण की बारीकियों की तह तक पहुंचने का प्रयास करते हैं। आपके न्यायालय में कभी भी किसी पक्षकार अथवा वकील ने कभी स्वयं को छोटा अथवा अपमानित महसूस नहीं किया। आप हमारे मध्य प्रदेश उच्च न्यायालय के अत्यंत योग्यतम न्यायाधिपति गणों में से एक हैं। आपके मध्य प्रदेश उच्च न्यायालय से केरल उच्च न्यायालय में स्थानांतरण से हम सभी दुखी हैं। माननीय न्यायाधिपति महोदय, अभी कुछ दिवस पूर्व ही हमारे मध्य प्रदेश उच्च न्यायालय के न्यायाधिपति श्री अतुल श्रीधर जी, जो मध्य प्रदेश उच्च न्यायालय से ही स्थानांतरित होकर देश की उत्तरी सीमा के आखिरी प्रदेश जम्मू कश्मीर से स्थानांतरित होकर गए थे, पुनः जम्मू कश्मीर की सुंदर वादियों का आनंदमयी वातावरण से स्थानांतरित होकर पुनः हमारे मध्य प्रदेश उच्च न्यायालय में पदभार ग्रहण करने से हम सभी अत्यंत प्रसन्नता महसूस कर रहे थे कि आपका देश के दक्षिणी सीमांत प्रदेश सुंदर प्रदेश केरल में स्थानांतरण का आदेश आ गया। हमें यकीन है कि जिस प्रकार हमारे न्यायाधिपति श्री अतुल श्रीधर जी ने उत्तरी सीमांत प्रदेश जम्मू कश्मीर में मध्य प्रदेश उच्च न्यायालय के मान सम्मान को बढ़ाया है, उसी प्रकार आप भी देश के दक्षिणी सीमांत प्रदेश केरल में हमारे मध्य प्रदेश उच्च न्यायालय के मान सम्मान को बढ़ाएंगे। केरल उच्च न्यायालय हाईकोर्ट बार के अध्यक्ष श्री यशवंत सिन्हा जी मेरे अच्छे मित्र हैं। उन्होंने इसी मानसून में केरल में होने वाले सेमिनार में भी हमें आमंत्रित किया है। हमारा मध्य प्रदेश उच्च न्यायालय अधिवक्ता संघ उनके माध्यम से समूची केरल हाईकोर्ट बार के अधिवक्ताओं को हमारे उच्च न्यायालय के एक नेक और सच्चे न्यायाधीश के केरल उच्च न्यायालय में न्यायाधिपति नियुक्त होने पर हृदय से शुभकामनाएं प्रेषित करता हूँ। मुझे यकीन है कि केरल उच्च न्यायालय अधिवक्ता संघ हमारे न्यायाधिपति श्री सुश्रुत धर्माधिकारी जी का की केरल पद स्थापना से अत्यंत प्रसन्न होगा। केरल में विश्व प्रसिद्ध पद्मनाभ स्वामी मंदिर एवं सबरीमला मंदिर हैं, जिनके दर्शनों की हमारे मन में इच्छा है। आपकी पद स्थापना से अब हमें उनके दर्शन करना सुविधाजनक हो जाएगा। मुझे यकीन है कि जिस प्रकार हमारे न्यायाधिपति श्री अतुल श्रीधर जी जम्मू कश्मीर में अपनी यश गाथा को लिखकर हमारे मध्य प्रदेश उच्च न्यायालय में पुनः आए हैं, उसी प्रकार आप माननीय न्यायाधिपति सुश्रुत धर्माधिकारी जी भी अपनी यश गाथाओं से केरल उच्च न्यायालय को सुगंधित कर पुनः हमारे मध्य प्रदेश उच्च न्यायालय में पदस्थापित होंगे। हम मध्य प्रदेश उच्च न्यायालय अधिवक्ता संघ की ओर से माननीय न्यायाधिपति के उज्जवल न्यायिक भविष्य की कामना करते हुए उनके पूरे परिवार सहित विशेषकर नवविवाहित पुत्र और पुत्रवधू को उनके जीवन की सुखद जीवन की कामना करते हैं। लगता है ईश्वर ने स्वतः ही तोहफे के रूप में उन्हें केरल की सुंदर वादियों का आनंद लेने के अवसर प्रदान किया है। इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ मैं अपनी वाणी को विराम देता हूँ।
I request President High Court Bar Association Indore Sri Ritesh Sinani to deliver his farewell speech.
माननीय मुख्य न्यायाधिपति श्री सुरेश कुमार कैद साहब, माननीय न्यायमूर्ति श्री सुश्रुत अरविंद धर्माधिकारी साहब एवं उपस्थित माननीय न्यायमूर्तिगण, श्री हरप्रीत सिंह रूपरा अतिरिक्त महाधिवक्ता जबलपुर मध्य प्रदेश, श्री प्रवीण नेवास्कर जी डिप्टी सॉलिसिटर जनरल यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया ग्वालियर, श्री राधेराज जी गुप्ता अध्यक्ष मध्य प्रदेश स्टेट बार काउंसिल, श्री डी.के. जैन अध्यक्ष उच्च न्यायालय अभिभाषक संघ जबलपुर, श्री पवन पाठक जी अध्यक्ष उच्च न्यायालय अभिभाषक संघ ग्वालियर, श्री संजय अग्रवाल अध्यक्ष हाईकोर्ट एडवोकेट बार एसोसिएशन जबलपुर, श्री आदित्य अधिकारी जनरल सेक्रेटरी सीनियर एडवोकेट काउंसिल हाईकोर्ट ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश जबलपुर। आज हम सभी श्री न्यायमूर्ति सुश्रुत अरविंद धर्माधिकारी साहब के उच्च न्यायालय मध्य प्रदेश से केरल उच्च न्यायालय में नियुक्ति के अवसर पर विदाई हेतु उपस्थित हुए हैं। आपका जन्म 8 जुलाई 1966 को रायपुर छत्तीसगढ़ में हुआ। आपने मध्य प्रदेश उच्च न्यायालय जबलपुर में अधिवक्ता के रूप में लगभग 24 वर्षों तक सिविल, आपराधिक और संवैधानिक कानून के क्षेत्र में वकालत की। आपने 1992 में मध्य प्रदेश उच्च न्यायालय जबलपुर में वरिष्ठ अधिवक्ता पूर्व महाधिवक्ता श्री वाई.एस. धर्माधिकारी के कनिष्ठ के रूप में वकालत शुरू की। आपने वर्ष 2000 से 2015 तक भारत संघ के स्थायी वकील, आयकर विभाग, भारतीय रिजर्व बैंक, केंद्रीय उत्पादन शुल्क अन्य संस्थाओं के आप स्थायी वकील रहे। आपको 7 अप्रैल 2016 को मध्य प्रदेश उच्च न्यायालय के न्यायाधीश के रूप में नियुक्त किया गया। आप वर्ष 2022 से 2024 तक इंदौर उच्च न्यायालय में भी पदस्थ रहे। इस दौरान अभिभाषकों से संबंधित जो भी समस्या आपके समक्ष रखी जाती थी, आप उसका निराकरण आपके द्वारा हमेशा तत्परता से किया जाता। आपका इंदौर उच्च न्यायालय के सभी अभिभाषकगण से स्नेहपूर्ण संबंध रहे। मैं अपनी ओर से उच्च न्यायालय अभिभाषक संघ इंदौर की ओर से एवं वरिष्ठ अभिभाषकों सभी अभिभाषक की ओर से आपको जो भविष्य की कामना करता।
I request President High Court Bar Association Gwalior Sri Pawan Pathak to deliver his farewell speech.
माननीय न्यायाधिपति महोदय श्री सुरेश कुमार कैद साहब एवं सभी माननीय अन्य न्यायमूर्तिगण, माननीय न्यायाधीश श्री एस.ए. धर्माधिकारी साहब, श्री हरप्रीत सिंह रूपरा एडिशनल एडवोकेट जनरल मध्य प्रदेश, श्री प्रवीण नेवास्कर डिप्टी सॉलिसिटर जनरल ऑफ यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया ग्वालियर बेंच, श्री राधेलाल गुप्ता साहब चेयरमैन स्टेट बार काउंसिल ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश, श्री प्रवीण कुमार जैन साहब प्रेसिडेंट हाईकोर्ट बार एसोसिएशन जबलपुर, श्री डी.के. सिंघानी प्रेसिडेंट हाईकोर्ट बार एसोसिएशन इंदौर, श्री संजय अग्रवाल प्रेसिडेंट हाईकोर्ट एडवोकेट बार एसोसिएशन जबलपुर, श्री आदित्य अधिकारी जनरल सेक्रेटरी सीनियर एडवोकेट काउंसिल जबलपुर। माननीय न्यायमूर्ति श्री एस.ए. धर्माधिकारी साहब का जन्म 8 जुलाई 1966 को रायपुर में हुआ था। आपके द्वारा दीवानी, फौजदारी और संवैधानिक मामलों में लगभग 24 बरस तक पैरवी की है। माननीय न्यायमूर्ति 17 अप्रैल 2016 को न्यायमूर्ति के रूप में पदस्थ हुए और वर्ष 2018 में स्थायी न्यायमूर्ति के रूप में पदस्थापना हुई। उच्च न्यायालय खंडपीठ ग्वालियर में आप पदस्थ रहे, जहाँ आपके सुमधुर व्यवहार, सरलता को उच्च न्यायालय ग्वालियर के प्रत्येक सदस्य अभी भी याद करते हैं। माननीय न्यायमूर्ति, आपके केरल हाईकोर्ट में नवीन दायित्व पर मैं स्वयं उच्च न्यायालय अभिभाषक संघ ग्वालियर के प्रत्येक सदस्य की ओर से हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं प्रेषित करता हूँ। जय।
I request President High Court Advocates Bar Association Jabalpur Sri Sanjay Agarwal to deliver his farewell speech.
Honorable the Chief Justice Shri Suresh Kumar Kat, Honorable Shri Justice Sushrut Arvind Dharmadhikari, Honorable Judges of the High Court, Shri Harpreet Singh Rupra, Additional Advocate General, Shri Praveen Kumar Nevaskar, Deputy Solicitor General for the Union of India, Shri Radhelal Gupta, Chairman State Bar Council, Shri Dhanya Kumar Jain, President High Court Bar Association Jabalpur, Shri Ritesh Inani, President High Court Bar Association Indore, Shri Pawan Pathak, President High Court Bar Association Gwalior, Shri Aditya Adhikari, Secretary Senior Advocates Council Jabalpur, Registrar General and Office of the Registry, family members of Hon'ble Shri Justice Sushrut Arvind Dharmadhikari, members of the bar, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have assembled here to bid farewell to Hon'ble Shri Justice Sushrut Arvind Dharmadhikari on his transfer from the High Court of Madhya Pradesh to the High Court of Kerala. Journey of my Lord Justice Dharmadhikari in the legal profession commenced in the year 1992 when he joined the chambers of his uncle Shri Y.S. Dharmadhikari, former Advocate General and the Doyen of the Bar. During his juniorship, my Lord assisted Shri Y.S. Dharmadhikari in various complicated civil and constitutional matters. After starting independent practice, my Lord has been able to establish his name and fame in the legal profession in a very short time. As an advocate, he served as a standing counsel for the Union of India, Central Excise Department, as also for various public sector undertakings, including corporate banks, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, and Welfare Commissioner Bhopal Gas Victims. My Lord was also the Library Secretary of the first elected executive body of the High Court Advocates Bar Association during the period 2008 to 2010. On account of my Lord's keen efforts and commitment, a very rich library was established, which proved to be very useful for the members of the bar. In recognition of his merits and professional standing, my Lord was appointed as an additional judge of the High Court of Madhya Pradesh on 7th April 2016, and later he was made permanent judge on 17th March 2018. During his tenure of judgeship of about 9 years, my Lord has upheld the highest traditions and dignity of the judiciary. My Lord's qualities of calmness, quietness, and at the same time firmness made him a remarkable judge. My Lord's deep understanding of law and clarity of facts finds reflection in the judgments delivered by him. Listening courteously, answering wisely, considering soberly, and deciding impartially are the rich tributes of a good judge, and the same are found to be in abundance in my Lord's temperament. Every lawyer left my Lord's court with utmost satisfaction of being heard patiently and dispassionately. My Lord has delivered judgments on a wide range of subjects which adorn law journals, and the same would continue to guide in future. Recently, my Lord has delivered a judgment on behalf of the full bench, which was presided by Honorable the Chief Justice in the case of Vivek Kumar Sharma versus State of Madhya Pradesh, in which state's forest produced notifications were declared ultra-virus, which shows my Lord's deep understanding and concern for forest and environmental protection. My Lord has made indelible influence on this institution. My Lord's absence would always be felt in the bench. We hope that my Lord would serve the cause of justice in the state of Kerala with same vigor and dedication which he did in the state of Madhya Pradesh. As my Lord would commence a new chapter on his transfer, we wish him a continuous success, good health, and that he would earn same respect and admiration in the High Court of Kerala also, which he earned in the High Court of Madhya Pradesh.
I request General Secretary, Senior Advocates Council, Jabalpur, Shri Aditya Adhikari to deliver his farewell speech.
My Lord, Honorable Chief Justice, my Lord, Honorable Justice Sushrut Arvind Dharmadhikari, and my Lords, Honorable Companion Judges, Judicial Officers, and esteemed guests. My Lords, we have gathered here today to extend our warm wishes and farewell to Honorable Justice Dharmadhikari, who is proceeding to take up his new assignment as a judge of the Honorable High Court of Kerala. My Lord Justice Dharmadhikari joined the legal profession in the early 90s and steadily earned the respect and admiration of the bar and bench alike. His journey from the bar to the bench has been marked by humility, discipline, and a quiet dedication to the law. My Lord has always been known for his composed demeanor and sharp legal acumen. Since his elevation to the bench as an additional judge of the High Court of Madhya Pradesh on 7th April 2016 and later as permanent judge in March 2018, my Lord has served with distinction. His Lordship's judgments reflect clarity, balance, and a keen understanding of both the letter and the spirit of the law. Justice Dharmadhikari's time at the Madhya Pradesh High Court has been valued not only for his judicial work but also for his courteous conduct, fairness, and the respect he has shown to all members of the legal fraternity. His contributions to the bench will be remembered with great regard. As my Lord now moves on to Kerala High Court, we are confident that the institution there will greatly benefit from his experience and wisdom, just as we have. On behalf of Senior Advocates Council and on my own behalf, I convey our sincere appreciation to your Lordship for your service here and wish you a fulfilling and successful tenure in a new role. Thank you.
I request Hon'ble Shri Justice S.A. Dharmadhikari to reply the favorable address.
Honorable the Chief Justice Shri Suresh Kumar Kaith, my esteemed sister and brother judges, Shri Harpreet Singh Rupra, Additional Advocate General, Shri Praveen Kumar Nemaskar, Deputy Solicitor General for the Union of India, Gwalior Bench, Shri Radhelal Gupta, Chairman, State Bar Council of Madhya Pradesh, Shri Dhanya Kumar Jain, President, MP, High Court Bar Association, Jabalpur, Shri Ritesh Inani, President, High Court Bar Association, Indore, Shri Pawan Pathak, President, High Court Bar Association, Gwalior, Shri Sanjay Agarwal, President, High Court Advocates Bar Association, Jabalpur, Shri Aditya Adhikari, General Secretary, Senior Advocates Council, Jabalpur, distinguished members of the bar, registry officers, court staff, friends, and my family members, a very good evening to all of you. Standing before you today on the occasion of my farewell, I am filled with deep gratitude, a touch of nostalgia, and immense humility as I bid farewell to this esteemed court on my transfer to the Honorable High Court of Kerala. I find myself enveloped in a wave of reflection of moments shared, lessons learned, and a profound sense of belonging to an institution that upholds the very soul of our democracy. As I look back on the journey that brought me here, I am reminded not just of the judgments delivered that brought me here, I am reminded but of the people, each of you, who have been a part of this remarkable chapter of my life. I am overwhelmed by the kindness and warmth shown to me this evening. It has been an honor beyond words to serve as a judge of this esteemed High Court. The weight of the responsibility entrusted to me by the Constitution was never lost on me. Every day I came to the court with the awareness that the decisions made here affects lives, shapes society, and safeguards justice. That trust has been sacred to me. First and foremost, I extend my deepest thanks to the Honorable Chief Justice Shri Kaith Sahib for his unwavering support, inspiring leadership, and generous guidance throughout my tenure here. Your stewardship has been both a shield and a compass, directing this institution with dignity and resolve, and I have been privileged to serve under your leadership. I also thank my sister and brother judges for your camaraderie, your wisdom, and the immense respect with which we have deliberated the matters before us. It has been a profound privilege to serve alongside these exemplary minds and principled hearts. Your insights have shaped not just my judicial thinking, but my values as a human being. I especially thank my uncle, Honorable Justice D.M. Dharmadhikari, former judge of the Supreme Court of India, for guiding and encouraging me at all stages in my career as a lawyer as well as judge of this court. My gratitude to all the respected former judges of this court, including those who are attending this ovation for having guided me and showing me the right path during times of uncertainty in my formative years of career as a lawyer. And now, if you will allow me to be more personal moment, I turn to my family. Firstly, I would like to thank my dearest family, my anchor, my strength. Thank you is hardly enough. I would like to thank my wife, Srimati Anjali, whose patience have been infinite, whose sacrifice has been many, and whose love has been my unwavering support throughout late nights and early mornings, through trials both legal and personal. I owe you more than words can express. I would also like to thank my two sons, Siddharth and Nilay, who endured my absence with grace and grew up to be my pride. Thank you for your understanding and love. Your presence in my life has been a grounding force. I also thank my younger brother Aditya, who supported me throughout my legal career. this moment becomes more memorable. As a new family member, my daughter-in-law Pranjali has joined our family. I would also like to thank today's speakers. Thank you for your kind words and thoughtful reflections. Your warmth and generosity have touched me deeply. Your presence here makes this moment all the more meaningful. I also thank the members of the bar. I thank you for your tireless dedication, your passionate advocacy, and your abiding faith in the justice system. Your skill, preparation, and integrity have continually challenged and inspired me. I would also like to thank all my friends and well-wishers. Thank you for standing by me for years. I also thank the members of the registry of all the 3 benches led by Registrar General Shri Dharmendra Singh, who assisted me immensely during my tenure as a judge of this court. Assistance of each officer of the registry helped me in discharging my duties. I would also like to thank my court staff, protocol officers, and the security officers in all the 3 benches. Your quiet efficiency and steadfast support often go unnoticed in the public eyes, but not by those of us who work with you daily. I extend my heartfelt thanks for your professionalism and unfailing courtesy. Judging is not merely a profession, it is a calling. It demands solitude, discipline, and above all, a deep commitment to justice. I have done my best to live up to that responsibility, to listen with patience, to reason with fairness, and to rule with conscience. As I prepare to embark on this new chapter in the beautiful state of Kerala, which is also known as God's own country, I carry with me not just the memories, but a reaffirmed faith in the judiciary. The judicial system, despite its challenges, continues to be a beacon of hope. It is in our halls of justice that the voiceless are heard, the powerful are held accountable, and the Constitution finds its truest expression. Justice is not merely a verdict, it is a process that demands patience, integrity, empathy, and above all, an unwavering commitment to truth. In these trying times, it is our solemn duty to fortify the public's trust in our courts, to uphold the value of transparency, and to ensure that justice is neither delayed nor denied. To my fellow judges and members of the bar, I leave with a heart full of affection and a profound sense of respect for the noble responsibilities we share. Let us continue to uphold the majesty of law and the dignity of every individual who comes before it. I leave with not a goodbye, but with a promise to serve with equal dedication and honor in my new role, carrying forward the values and traditions that I have cherished here. Thank you all from the depth of my heart. Jai Hind.
May I have my Lord's kind permission to declare the farewell program closed? I declare the farewell program closed.
May I request Honorable Chief Justice, Honorable Judges of the High Court, Honorable former judges, family members, Additional Advocate General, Deputy Solicitor General, office bearers and members of the Bar Associate, Bar Council, distinguished guests, and all present to join us, please, for the high tea.